Hello everyone. In today's video, we'll learn how to manage employee payroll in Score ERP, including creating individual salary slips, processing payroll for multiple employees, validating attendance, and generating salary slips in bulk through payroll entry. Payroll is one of the most important functions in any organization because it ensures employees are compensated accurately and on time while maintaining proper accounting records. Let's begin by looking at the salary slip. A salary slip is used when we want to generate payroll for a specific employee. It provides a detailed breakdown of earnings, deductions, working days, and net salary for a particular payroll period. To create a salary slip, we simply open the salary slip module and create a new record. First, we select the employee. In this example, we'll choose Mark Zuck. As soon as the employee is selected, Score ERP automatically fetches all the relevant employee information. This includes the employee's department, designation, branch, company, and assigned salary structure. Since the employee already has a predefined salary structure, the system automatically loads the earning and deduction components associated with that structure. Next, we define the payroll period by selecting the start date and end date. We also specify the payroll frequency. In this example, the payroll is processed monthly. For organizations that calculate salaries based on timesheets, Score ERP provides the option to create salary slips based on approved timesheet records. This is especially useful for contract workers, consultants, and project-based employees where salary calculations depend on actual working hours. Once all information is reviewed, we simply save the salary slip. The system automatically calculates the employee's salary based on the salary structure, attendance records, earnings, deductions, and payroll period. After verification, we submit the salary slip. At this point, the salary slip is officially created for the selected employee and can be used for payroll processing, reporting, and employee records. While creating salary slips individually is useful for specific employees, most organizations process salaries for multiple employees at the same time. This is where payroll entry becomes extremely useful. Payroll entry allows us to generate and process salary slips in bulk for an entire department, branch, company, or group of employees. Let's see how it works. We navigate to payroll entry and create a new payroll entry. First, we select the payroll frequency. In this example, we'll use monthly payroll. Next, we select the payroll payable account. This account is used to record salary liabilities in the accounting system until payments are made to employees. We then define the payroll period by selecting the appropriate start date and end date. After that, we can filter employees based on various criteria such as company, branch, department, designation, or employee category. For this example, we'll select the sales department. Once the details are entered, we save the payroll entry. After saving, the Get Employees button becomes available. When we click Get Employees, Score ERP automatically retrieves all active employees who match the selected criteria. The employee list is generated instantly, eliminating the need for manual employee selection and reducing processing time significantly. Before generating salary slips, organizations often want to ensure attendance records are complete and accurate. For this purpose, Score ERP provides the Validate Attendance feature. When we click Validate Attendance, the system checks attendance records for all employees included in the payroll entry. If any attendance records are missing, the system immediately identifies the affected employees and displays the number of unmarked attendance days. This helps payroll administrators ensure salary calculations are accurate and prevents errors caused by incomplete attendance data. For example, if an employee has missing attendance records, the system will display a warning indicating that attendance validation is pending. At this stage, the payroll administrator can review attendance, make corrections if necessary, and then continue with payroll processing. However, if attendance validation is not required, payroll processing can continue directly without interruption. Once attendance verification is complete, we're ready to generate salary slips. We simply click Create Salary Slips. Score ERP automatically creates individual salary slips for every employee included in the payroll entry. The system calculates salaries based on salary structures, earnings, deductions, attendance records, leave information, and payroll settings. This eliminates repetitive manual work and ensures consistency across the entire payroll process. Once verified, we click Submit Salary Slips. Score ERP then submits all generated salary slips in bulk. This significantly reduces payroll processing time, especially for organizations with large employee counts. Now, if we navigate to the salary slip list, we can see all the salary slips that were generated through the payroll entry. Each salary slip contains complete payroll information including employee details, salary structure, working days, payment days, earnings, deductions, gross pay, net pay, and payroll period. These salary slips can be printed, emailed to employees, or used for payroll reporting and compliance purposes. In addition, all payroll transactions remain fully linked with employee records, salary structures, and accounting entries, ensuring complete transparency and traceability. Using payroll entry, organizations can process salaries for dozens or even hundreds of employees within minutes, while maintaining accuracy and consistency throughout the payroll cycle. This helps HR and finance teams save time, reduce manual effort, and ensure employees are paid correctly and on schedule. And that's how easy it is to manage payroll processing in Score ERP. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next Score ERP tutorial.